Hi, my name is Bridgette, and I had the pleasure of being a founding student for Mindful Actor workshops. MAW has been such a positive experience for me because not only did I get to work with Missy again, who is just an absolute ball of sunshine, but I also got to become a part of a safe and inclusive online community of people who were also taking the course. It is a self-paced course, which has been so beneficial to me because I have a very busy schedule, as most people do. And things happen, things come up, life gets stressful, and sometimes you just need a break. And that is completely okay and accepted in this because it's a self-paced course. So there's never any pressure to be at a certain spot by a certain time or meet any deadlines. And that pressury aspect of, oh my God, this is school, you're getting marked on this, is just gone. It's just lifted. And it's amazing because you can reach out to the online community if you have any comments or questions or concerns, as well as Missy. She's always accessible in that way as well. And so you get the support of a classroom learning environment, but there's none of the pressure of marks or deadlines. As an actor who's just starting out, I often get stuck in my head. And so this course has been really, really wonderful in reminding me that my entire body is my instrument, and there's so much more of me to be accessed than I think there is. As well, just as a human being, I have immensely enjoyed this course because there's such simple and concise techniques that I can just implement into my everyday life. For example, one of the things that's discussed in the course is listing 5 things you're grateful for every day. And it sounds so simple, but it brings me so much joy and really just changes the way that I look at my day, because you can have a completely lousy, no good, terrible, horrible day, but then taking that time of listing the 5 things you're grateful for really changes your energy and the energy you're putting out and what you receive and what you notice. And it's just amazing because life is so much better than we give it credit for. And that's one of the things that this course in particular has really, really helped me with. I highly recommend Mindful Actor workshops to aspiring actors, brand new actors, experienced actors, people debating whether or not they want to be actors, or just humans in general, because yeah, an actor's instrument is their body, but everyone in the world uses their bodies. So might as well access as much of it as you can. Thank you.